Do you know what you have to do to play your Xbox?
What's that?
You gotta have a controller.
What's that?
That! Hook it up! Hook that thing up. No, not like that. You gotta open it.
The Xbox?
No, you gotta open the box here. Yeah! Sweet victory!
Is that a knife?
Yeah.
You're fucking kidding me, right?